use these things every day. I literally ordered these in 2015 and it is currently 2022. And you guys can see, these things are still in really good condition. Have a much longer pad area here. It's about 6.5 inches long. And that becomes important when you're trying to wrap around the bar. And I love this because if I'm lifting, right, and I need to drop the weight, I can literally just open my hand and the bar is gonna come straight down. Whereas if you have straps or hooks, you're basically tied into the weight. And if you lift weights, y'all know what I'm talking about. Okay, to put it on, that's the only part I do find a little confusing. I'm always like, okay. This is padded right here at the top, as you can see. And then this whole hand piece is padded. This is all rubber right here. And you guys can see, I mean, there is like thick, durable stitching here. And then you have this nice pad that goes around your wrist. I've used some other ones before. It's actually why I ended up buying this back in 2015. And they were like ripping at my wrist. I was not here for that, okay? And then you just put your hand down and pull this across, and then you just drive this little guy through here, okay? And when your hands are shaking from working out, yeah, it's a little tough. And pull it through and go like that, okay? And then, so you can see. All right, now they do have extra small all the way, and I'm gonna do it one more time just so you guys can see. They do have extra small all the way to extra large. I have like the world's smallest hands, so of course I have extra small gloves. And that's a perfect example. You'll know that it's on backwards because if you try to go like this, you'll realize that the Velcro won't be where it's supposed to be. You'll know that you have it correct when the pad is going across your wrist, if that makes sense. Showing you guys what it looks like when they're both hooked on. Anything that is a pull or a push exercise where you would otherwise be wearing, now I wear weightlifting gloves for everything else, but when I'm doing those kinds of exercises, grip strength is a huge part of that, and this has probably increased my grip strength almost right out of the gate, probably 20%, but over the course of my lifting career, I mean, I can lift well in excess of my body weight. And this is why, right here. Again, if you're someone who lifts weights or you're buying this for someone who lifts weights, that mind-muscle connection is so important. And when I'm not worried about just trying to hold on to the weight, especially for anyone who has arthritis problems, anything like that, they may be incredibly strong, but their grip strength may not be perfect, may not be what they want it to be. And this helps. These things are fantastic. I love them so much that on days when I have realized that these were not in my bag, I have turned around and gone home to get them because there is no way on God's green earth that I would train at the gym without these. I just wouldn't do it. First off, I'd be afraid I might potentially hurt my wrist. Second off, I wouldn't be able to lift the weight that I want to lift, so it's just a no for me. So I'm just showing you guys this is what they look like from the top. This is what they look like from the inside. That's it, they kind of fold back if you need to reach in and grab something. These are so fantastic. If you train or you're getting into training, do yourself a favor and invest in these. Like I said, I've had these for almost 10 years and they look basically brand new. So, and as far as washing them is concerned, I just use like a scrub brush and Dawn soap and then set it out to dry. And with this, I do spray this with rubbing alcohol from time to time just to get, obviously germs and grime and whatnot off of it. And then I'll just throw it outside on the table on the back porch and let it dry. All right, well, I hope you guys found that helpful and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.